Good morning and welcome to my PowerPoint presentation of environmental damage by feral pigs in Australia. My name is Ben Robertson and I'll be guiding you through this today. Environmental impact. Feral pigs spread invasive plants, degrade the water and the soil, prey on native species, damage crops and livestock, damage infrastructure such as fences, and carry disease. In Queensland alone, they are estimated that there are up to 2.3 million feral pigs and inhabit up to 47% of the Australian continent. Wetland damage would be by far one of the biggest environmental damages that we have in Australia. Pigs are omnivorous and are opportunistic and ingest a variety of vegetations, fruits, grains, fungi and animal components, including terrestrial and aquatic invertebrates, e.g. frogs, crustaceans and other things such as turtles and lizards and their eggs. By rooting up the waterways and the wetlands, the water becomes oxygen deprived, causing it to be uninhabitable and leaving large areas of unstable soil that can then be eroded. In northern Queensland and the Northern Territory, the wetlands up there have been absolutely decimated by the feral pig populations over the past decade. Farmland impact. Pigs will eat most cereal crops produced in Australia. They are estimated to cause over $100 million worth of damage to these cereal crops each year. This also means the average landholder will spend a considerable amount each year on trying to stop the cost of the damage caused. Pigs are not only limited to crop damage, they also can cause considerable livestock damage. For example, sheep during lambing season will have their lambs preyed upon by these pigs while they are lambing. Wildlife destruction. Feral pigs have been recorded eating nearly all of our smaller mammals and reptiles throughout Australia. This includes turtles, bilbies, snakes, lizards, also wallabies and lambs. Disease. Diseases in the feral pigs are a huge problem in Australia. Not only could it decimate our livestock industry overnight, they also carry diseases that are deadly to humans. These include foot and mouth disease, gastric ulcers, intestinal torsion, leprosy, piglet anemia, piglet scours, porcine, sarcoptic mange, swine brucellosis. Feral pig control. There are 4 main eradication and control techniques that have been adopted throughout Australia. Shooting. There are many different shooting techniques throughout Australia, but the 2 main types that are widely used across Australia are helicopter shooting during the day and shooting by vehicle at night using a spotlight or thermal. Other techniques also include hunting with dogs, trapping. Traps are placed in areas close to where the damage has been observed or near a potential living area of the pigs. They are constructed of mainly weld mesh in various different configurations and are baited using grain or carcasses. The pigs enter become trapped and are then disposed of by the farmer. Baiting. Baiting is widely used in more remote locations by the farmers and government organisations. It is by far the easiest way to cover vast amounts of land, but is also very expensive and can potentially impact other animals, like a dingo. Fencing. Exclusion fences are fast becoming the main defence for farmers against the feral pig invasion. As the numbers have shown, the cost of damage by pigs is greater than the expense of having to put up a $10,000 per kilometre fence to keep the animals out.